Learn how to create an engaging and visually stunning progress bar for your quizzes using Canva. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through designing a dynamic progress bar that will keep your audience motivated and on track. Perfect for educators, content creators, and anyone looking to add a professional touch to their quizzes. Let's get creative with Canva. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you the best content.
So I'll go to Canva and then click on Create Design, select video, and then we'll go into the element and then search for seabed background actually. Then we'll go to the photo. I will choose this one if you want to see how it looks. Right, so let me select this one. I'll maximize it. The screen. Then I'll go back to the element and then search for uh, bubbling water. Go to video this time. And then I'll select this one. Water bubbles background. Okay. So as you can see here, it's a 20-second background. So first what I want to do is I want to trim it to 10 seconds. Okay. And then what I usually do is I'll just double click on the I'll double click this and then I just want to make sure that I want to trim it where you have the light all the way up to here. Okay. So then I'll put it here on top of the other background. I'll maximize a little bit over. Okay, let's just see how it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it now. What I want to do right now is I will select the one with the bubbling water. You can go to position and then make sure this one is highlighted. Then I go to animate. I have to select create an animation. This one, we're under tools. So I'm gonna then as it tells you here, you need to hold the shift button and then I want you to drag from right to left. Okay, so let's do it again. Press and hold on to the shift key. This is good. As you can see on the screen, like it's gonna go slow and then fast forward. So if you see under movement style instead of original, I want you to select steady. So that means we'll have a steady pace. And then I'll just reduce the speed to actually 0 and then I'll click done. All right. And let's just preview how it looks like. And this is fairly good to me so far. All right. So what I want to do from here is I'm going to go click share. Let me just call this progress bar. Right, then I click share, save this download, and then as an MP4, let's just download this. actually go file and then create a new video. All right, so and I want to make sure I'm just gonna actually drag that file that I have just created, have just downloaded. So this is good so far. As you can see, it's all white on white. I'll just gonna click on the background and then let's say select this color. Yeah, let's just select this color. Next step is I want to make sure we want to reduce this white part until we reach. Okay, it's still just gonna zoom just to make sure it's okay. I think this is good. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to make sure this is too big, so I'm just gonna minimize it to get the desired size and shape. So to me, this looks good. I'm just gonna get that all the way here. Uh, get a bit here, that'll be fine too. Okay, so this is good so far. Let me just see how it looks. So this is very good. So next thing I want to do is I'll go to the border style, select this, go to border style, uh, and then go to 80 for the corner rounding. Okay, and I'll go around 10 or 11 for the border size. Just okay. So this is good. If I go, I could change the border to white if you like. Let's just do that. Change the border to white. Now let's just see how it looks. This is very good. Then I want to do is go to the element, and then I want to look for jet ski. Go to the graphic. I'll select this guy. If you want to look, man riding jet ski water. Okay, so click this one. Just kind of before he's heading to the right, so I'm just gonna go to the flip and then flip horizontal. So I want to make sure he's actually looking the other way around. And let me just shorten just this guy with the jet ski, and then make sure I'll gonna put roughly around here. This is good. And what we're gonna do is we want to make sure that this guy also is animated again. So click this guy, animate. You'll select again same type of create an animation. Okay. Then let's just move straight. Okay, looks good to me. So we're gonna do same style for the movement styles. We want to make sure it's steady, and we'll minimize the speed to none, and we're gonna click on done. Now let's just preview how it all looks like now. This is very good so far. So basically, this stage, your your loading bar. Let me just minimize this one. Yeah, your loading bar, it's actually working fine. From here, basically, what you can do, you can actually go to the background. You can choose any background color. So might as well. Let me just go to I'm just gonna go here and then type spiral background. I'll go to video. Let me just select one. I'll select this guy. Okay. So I'll make sure it is positioned just before this guy. We can get rid of this one if you want, but it's okay. It just doesn't make sense. This guy. Okay. So let's just preview it again. Go. So I'm just gonna stop it here. Uh, and what I want you to understand here is um, we've positioned this one here. As you can see, I can still put it down here, then put the same guy down. Okay. And if I click preview, it's still gonna do this. Okay. But now with the new position that you've selected. Right. Perfect. So here, basically what you need to do is just fill up with the rest of your, let's say, uh, with the rest of your quiz or anything you want to do is for it. Let's see. The put the same time. Right. There we go. So that's pretty much conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, make sure please your like and subscribe to the challenge. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Bye.